My roasted turkey and root vegetables.
Okay.
And as you can see here, I got the turkey breasts. And to save some space for other dishes, I'm using an air fry oven.
Oh, good idea.
Countertop. Boom, you got all the sides in the oven. We got this going here. Katie, I got my roots vegetables to my right. You're gonna help me out with that. So cut those, have them, and then cut them into little kind of wedges almost. Same thing with the sweet potatoes. And I got these little baby rainbow potatoes. So my root vegetables are the parsnips, the sweet potatoes, and these little rainbow potatoes I love. All right, to season both of these up, I am gonna use my barbecue chip dust. So we got some brown sugar, some kosher salt, some granulated garlic, not powdered garlic, ground ancho chili powder, some coarse black peppercorn, a little cayenne, and a little dehydrated onion powder, okay? That all goes in there. And this just kind of comes together, gives you a little something sweet, a little smoky, a little spicy, aromatic from the garlic and the onion in there. How those coming around, Katie?
All good.
Coat it in a little bit of that oil, and I'm gonna take half of this, and I got a bone-in, skin-on halved turkey breast. And what we're gonna do is sprinkle this on that skin, elevated, to help kind of dry brine it, because that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it in the fridge. Let me get some of this, Katie.
Oh, yeah. Don't forget those veggies.
You could smell that. And now don't neglect that bottom. We got a little bit of bone we can kind of carve out later, but you want to get it all in there.
The bone helps, Jeff, keep it in shape, right? When it
Keeps it from kind of bowing in the oven. This is going in the fridge overnight, dry brine, dehydrate that
really?
skin.
Oh, yeah.
Dramatic.
Yes, Jeff.
Overnight, Alex. It's time to add the turkey breast to the sear plate that has been preheating at 400 degrees.
I like the idea of a sear plate.
Yeah. I know. What a
Blow
great
my mind.
idea.
Right there. Hey, what side am I doing first, guys?
Skin.
I'm gonna put that on the side there.
Listen to that sizzle.
Wait, listen to that sizzle.
What about the veggies, Jeff?
All right, we're gonna get this great sear on this right now. The veggie, expertly cut by Katie. So that's sizzling, right? Gonna create a nice crispy skin, lock in all that beautiful rub on the outside. Now we got our vegetables coated in that barbecue chip dust, or the BCD as we call it in my house.
Okay.
And we put it right on there, a little oil, and they're gonna roast together. Back in the oven, we're gonna continue to sear this on this sear plate for 5 minutes, then flip the breast. And finish it up in the oven. How long, Jeffrey? 35 to 40 minutes, and roast until there's an internal temperature of 165. Okay? We got one. After we flipped it, we roast it, and we're ready to rest it. It has been resting, right? You do not want to skip this step. Keep it all on the sear plate, nice. Keeps it warm, but also rest as tinted foil.
I would rather. What? Yeah. Turn that baby around. She cute.
But luckily, we spent the time resting it, which you do have to do, even though it's just a single breast. Rest it. It's not gonna take an hour to rest like some whole turkeys, but give it at least 10 minutes. There's a lot of carryover cooking that's gonna happen as well, and those juices will stay inside. Now we can start slicing it, right? That's crispy.
Yeah, that's searing
It's
on that
rendered.
sear plate. Come on, Jeff.
Yes.
That's a right hand. That's a
We're
right-handed
not
lift,
wasting
right?
anything.
Oh my God.
Don't
Beautiful.
ever waste that. That is the elixir of the turkey, God. I'm gonna give you a middle piece. How about that, Alex?
Do whatever you feel.
Oh, come on.
Oh, you ripped it.
Fall apart, juicy.
Come on.
It's too juicy, Jeffrey. I can't handle it. I need a snorkel just to eat this. It's so darn juicy.
God. Oh, God.
That's how I was born, Sonny.
I don't know, man.
I am not sharing.
Okay.
It's Friendsgiving without sharing.
I can see.
I'm going to.
Hey, nobody said you gotta share the plate at Friendsgiving. You just gotta share the dish, you know what I mean?
Oh my
Katie's
God.
got I'm taking this home look on her face.
By the way,
You know what I'm saying? Okay, Jeff, it's Friendsgiving, Jeff.
Send it down. Send it down.
You don't even have to put the breast meat on there. I'll just take the bone. Matter of fact, GZ, if you want, you can partake as I partake.
You're so sweet.
It's a turkey rib.
first of all,
Oh, wow.
when you cut into turkey before you eat it, you know whether your fork and knife tell you what it's gonna be like. This is so juicy. It's succulent, honestly. It's moist, it's not overcooked. The skin is crispy.